The long-awaited and anticipated PIN presales are about to begin. Get involved to secure your piece of the PIN network, revolutionizing the future of cryptocurrency payments, rewards, and data storage. Presales will commence on the 13th of December at midnight UTC, and end on the 20th of December at midnight UTC, or when the hard cap has been reached. Whitelisted presales will be open to whitelisted addresses only, during the first 48 hours. And public presales will commence on the 15th of December at midnight UTC. Minimum buy 0.1 BNB. Maximum buy 2 BNB. 1 BNB equals 50,000 PIN tokens. Soft cap 300 BNB. Hard cap 500 BNB. Step 1. To buy PIN token, you will need Binance Smart Chain (BSC) in your software wallet. You can do this by transferring BSC from Binance or any other exchange. You can also buy BSC by using a third-party provider to buy straight into your software wallet using your credit card. If you have BNB, you can change your BNB to BSC on your Binance exchange or in Trust Wallet. Step 2. Send your BSC by clicking Send and selecting Smart Chain. Enter our presales address, which is also the Inting wallet address. Enter your contribution amount up to a maximum of 2 BNB and select Confirm. You have now sent your contribution to our presales. Step 3. In your wallet, add PIN's contract address as a custom token. Step 4. PIN tokens will automatically be airdropped to your wallet shortly after completion of presales. It is that simple. Welcome to Pay It Now PIN token.